Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do head cleaning cycles in an Epson Stylus Photo RX620. Now this is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel on the front of the printer. Now if you're not already on this setup menu shown by the text and the icon at the top, just press this button over here and that'll take you from any other menu you're on. Now top option is selected. I'm going to press down a few times until we have head cleaning selected. Now we press OK to go into this menu, and OK once more to get started. Now this will take your printer just a minute, and what it's doing is taking ink from your cartridges and pushing it through the printhead built into the machine, in the hopes that it will dislodge any dried or congealed ink in there that could be causing print quality issues. Now this is a great first step in troubleshooting, and allows you to ensure your printer's got fresh ink in there. And with that done, it kind of unceremoniously dumps you back to this menu again with head cleaning selected. Whilst you could just run off a print to see how your print quality is improved, what I would suggest doing is going up one option to nozzle check and printing off one of those pages. Printing off one of those pages will give you a quick breakdown of the 6 colours your printer uses and its ability to produce those. If any print quality issues remain, you'll have one of these blocks either missing or with little lines in it, which would show like a minor print quality issue, like lines horizontally across your page as they come out. Now hopefully you're back up and running as expected and your prints are looking nice. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.